Hi all, hope you and your family are safe and sound. So, welcome to my channel. So, here I will be posting simple and short videos of various useful skills. So, as a day one skill, I have taken Excel. In Excel, today we will be seeing about a function called sum. So, in our day to day lives, we will be faced to add many values to see the sum and see the total, and also for that, when if you are using an Excel, there is a function which will make our life easy. So let's see it. So usual way how we will sum. We will just multiply, and we will select the two columns, and we will use a plus sign. If the same with the three variable also, will not be having a much issue. 3 plus signs. But when it comes to here, there are 20 values. So if you want to do the sum of these 20 values using this old method, it is hard. If you go like this, j20 j22, then plus j23, j20 plus j21, like that. If you go, it is actually a very long and tedious, tedious process. So like there are 20 variables. There will be 20 times you need to write. If it is more than 20, even 1000, even 2000, maybe more than that, you need to type like that. So that is actually a tedious and hard process, which is not efficient for our work. So for that, excel has a excel has a inbuilt function called sum, which will help us to get values, summation of values very easily. So that is the function we want to just. So this is sum of this variable, this list of 2020. So the easy way to do that is using a formula called sum. So if you just type sum and you open the parentheses, what you need to do is you need to select the range, means select the list of variable, list of numbers we need to sum. So I'm just selecting j24. So okay, starting is j5 to j24. I'm just selecting the 20 columns so that it can be summed. So if you see, in the old way also we did, in the sum function also we did, but the sum function is very fast and it is not tedious. It is very easily we can do. So yeah, that is about sum. So there is okay. Another example, we have three columns now. We need to add the sum. So with this last two example, we'll just select sum, like select this column, then again sum, select this column, sum, select this column. So now three columns is selected. So our sum we can do is sum this range. So this is sum. Now we have did four times sum actually, but there is a much easier way to do that. That is, again in sum, instead of selecting only one column, we will just select all three columns, continuous three columns. So and if we close this parenthesis and select enter, see, we will get the same number. Here we have, in the first way we did sum four times, which is actually a tedious process, and the second, we use the sum only once. That is how we can use sum. And in another example, here there is three columns actually, but in the column 2 sum we don't want. We want sum of column 1 and column 3. Here also, as usual, we can find the sum of this column and sum of this column, then add these two, we are getting a value. But here also again we are using two times sum, sorry, here three times sum, and then multiple steps. So instead of that, in sum we can select multiple ranges. Like for example, I am selecting this column, then what I am doing is I am giving a comma, then I am coming here and I am selecting, and I close the parenthesis. Then if I click enter, see, I can get the same value. If same way here, if you have three columns also, again plus a comma, and if you come here and do you want to sum here, then you have now three columns. See, the sum will come. So that is how the sum works. I hope you understand, and have a nice day.